Okay. Y'all can start opening.
Eat the eraser too. Oh my god!
It's like we don't know what to say because it's like, damn. Trina, I give pins.
Trina. I got someone.
Pencils, more pencils. Can I open this?
No. Oh yeah. Wait. You and Trina can open it. Open it, Trina.
Okay.
I got it.
Tyler and Junior, open. Junior, find yours and open yours. Wait, Tyler, don't open yours yet.
Oh, I was playing with
Okay,
screen.
I'll go into the
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Ready?
Mommy, look. Oh, Molly, look. And that kid. See, Molly did that for me and her. Because I'm not doing it.
Fidget
Thank you,
spinner.
Mama. Fidget spinners? What? I just.
You get makeup. Oh, you
My
get
first two fidget.
Wait, why am I always getting green? Every day.
I got fidget spinners. Daddy.
Let's see.
No, we did.
No.
You're gonna be eating that for a while.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. You can beat somebody with this. Oh look, I got one from my. I got one too. I'm
She got crazy.
Okay.
Do not open that bubble gum tonight, Molly.
Okay.
Come on, Tyler and Junior.
Somebody get one. Miley, read this.
I got whoppers.
It says, Merry Xmas from Miley to Tyler. Happy holidays.
This one. Okay.
I can't.
Trash put on one side. Everybody take their trash and put it on one side. Junior, Molly, y'all need to put it behind y'all. And Trina, you need to put it beside you and Tyler. Okay, put everything back in your stockings.
You know what this
Bubblegum.
The day got like the most is this.
Yeah,
I'm
I know
totally
what
using this. Tell her I don't need yours anymore.
Oh,
I brought those for y'all.
Tyler, I don't
brought
need
that
yours
for
anymore.
y'all.
What?
The present and then the SpongeBob thing.
Oh yeah.
And then the unicorn.
I got fidget spinner now.
I got the last one. I got fidget spinner for Wiley. The rest of you can brag about your fidget spinners now.
I got screen. Did you get screen, Tyler?
Tyler is the one that gave you that.
Did you get the one?
I can't see like.
Come on, open.
I'm that person.
See, I need to stop buying cologne. I need to really stop. Because they know every year I buy.
But you can hear it. You can hear it.
I
told Tyler. I like Tyler.
Look at, take your bottle out. Look at it. It's pretty.
And Tyler likes this. Wait, what? And I shake it, and then you shake it, and I'm like, yeah, you hear that?
I got cologne. I can feel it in my. This girl got me smelling like a girl.
Look at Molly. I always trying to put hers on.
I can't smell it. I smell tone. It's the same one. I got better than you. Oh, that smells good.
Where's mine?
Oh, there. That smells like Paris. Ooh, can't put too much of this.
Oh, that smells good.
That's not.
Oh, why is mine always saying black?
That's a lot.
Like, you always buy me something that says black.
Must be trying to tell you something. Black ass.
Yeah, this is YouTube video.
Come on, Trina. Open the other one.
We open another one.
Y'all better stop that. Gotta say I'm being off for the video this year, too.
Oh my god! I got 7 vibes! Yay! Well, it's backgrounds, but I can't really. It's okay.
So what Molly screamed, and she screamed for me.
Never see it.
I don't even know what that is. Minecraft? I do have Minecraft.
Okay, come on. Open next present.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh my god! This is so
Tyler,
exciting.
put your stocking behind you.
Who gave me this?
I
Put it
got
behind
a
you.
dog. I opened my
No, not that one yet. Come on, Junior, now.
I don't get this. I got shoes. You give me a box. And how am I supposed to open this box, guys?
Come on, open it, Smiley.
Y'all messed up from doing this.
You give me your.
So, Grinch, I got something from the Grinch.
Fire back.
Big box.
Oh, I can't get it open.
Broke it.
I don't need my own.
I got giant.
I was gonna ask y'all for new shoes too, because I need new
You
shoes.
want some giant shoes?
Because they were ripping at the top. They were showing my hey, I got new shoes.
Hey, you want some giant shoes?
And they have Nikes on them. Surprisingly.
Move the box out the way, Junior. And hold up, Molly. Don't put your shoes up. Everybody gonna hold their shoes up so we can see them.
Spider-Man, Spider-Man, take so long, Spider-Man.
I don't know what's off in that box, Tyler, to tell you the truth.
I know. Oh my God, you got the same outfit.
We're twins.
No.
That's so cute. Tyler said, we twin. Trina, look at Molly's shoes.
shoes are here. Oh my God,
Trina, we're
you got giant shoes too?
Yeah.
Wow, you got giant shoes? Am I the only one that?
Y'all feet so big.
What do you mean?
Me and Trina are matching.
No,
Poor Tyler, he like, am I the only one that get those shoes?
oh man, it smells like brand new shoes.
Okay, Junior.
Smelling new shoes.
Next box, y'all. Wait. Pause.
I know.
Okay. Show all y'all puppies.
Yellow.
Okay, let me see y'all pillows. Let me see your pillows.
I got you. Watch this.
I'm trying not to be the mean mama off in this video now.
Pillow fight.
Okay. Open y'all next present. Put it behind you.
Dang, James got the biggest box up in here.
Why do I have the most colors?
This guy had the most clothes.
Because I'm the most colors.
Who takes this thing? It's easy. I know it wasn't mommy. Can we break this thing?
It was mommy.
It's already broken.
Yeah. I hope y'all got the right ones.
Piranha.
You and Trina. Yeah, y'all got the right ones.
Dang! Tyler's gonna play that all night.
Did you pop yourself in the face?
No.
Yes, you did. Look at your face. Yes, you did. You popped yourself in the face. Now stop it.
Thank you for pants. I finally got
Money. Look. Hey, Trina, guess what? Trina, guess what? I got school clothes. Me too. Yeah.
Why are we happy for school? I would just throw this whole thing away. We're so fast.
Okay, throw your trash in the trash. Okay.
Heavy.
Dominoes!
Oh my God. Oh
Oh.
no! It's a portrait.
We got dominoes!
No, it's all of y'all together.
Hey, we got pizza.
Man, our dominoes. We got
Okay.
dominoes.
I'll go make it.
Show me what y'all
I
got.
got happy because it was a board game.
Candyland, that's my favorite game to play.
Candy Lane.
Let's play it.
Candy.
Where are we going?
Okay. Put it behind you. Excuse me.
Put it behind my head.
Junior, put the big box in front of Tyler.
I know, right? That's what I'm doing.
Leave my hand.
Dang, Molly, that is so cheating.
I'm not.
Okay. Y'all go at it.
I win.
Oh, now I have the name on it.
Wait until everybody get theirs open. Get the paper off. Pick up all the paper. Wait before y'all even open anything. Up, Junior. I said get the paper now.
Fine.
Don't you open it.
Whoa. I'll just let it slip out.
Junior,
Who's going paper at me?
wait. Okay, take your tape off. Miley, take your tape off. What are you doing?
Doing magic.
Well, your eyes is not gonna open it.
I can't. It's right here. Pick up the bottle.
Tyler, I said not to open it. Close it. So everybody got theirs open.
Not like this.
Okay, we ready?
We do an unboxing. Yep. Unboxing video, $1 million.
Okay,
Oh, $1 million.
go.
Darn, I forgot a piece of tape.
I got donuts. Wait, hold up a second. I got more shoes.
Man.
Hey, Trina,
Wait. Something's not up. Wait. Hold on. Yeah, it's mine. It's mine.
It's mine. I got shoes. I'm in the crew.
I got shoes. Yes, you got shoes, Tyler. We didn't forget about you.
I'm not.
Molly, let me see.
I'm hiding that.
Let me see.
I'm Larry. I don't know what this is.
I got a bunch of clothes.
Watch it, cause the way you take it out is the way it's gonna be set up.
I like this.
So don't just start taking everything out. You better make sure you have it as a set, cause I have it as a set.
What? Dude. I got some nice clothes.
No,
I got me some nice skirts.
Let's go snow hoodie.
I'm gonna be looking like a little schoolgirl again.
Wanna be a gay
Yep.
Who y'all playing? Oh, okay. No, I don't want the rest.
Those photos, time that you say you ain't got no shorts, Tyler.
I'm going to be John.
Molly, move your box out the way, and then you can.
Mommy, you know you are messed up.
What? And you're gonna wear it.
Oh, they got the ruffles in the front. Don't forget the bow.
I got this one last time.
So, and you got it again.
Oh.
I got some blue shorts, some gray. I got some daddy shorts.
The little bow. Don't forget the little bow.
Now you're gonna be dressed like a schoolgirl.
Yeah, you weren't playing when I said I was gonna be dressed like a little schoolgirl. Oh, no, you get not just two, not just one, but three. You can't forget.
Ain't that one stinker?
No, you're funny.
Let's get out of here.
And you're gonna wear it when you go back to school.
They all dark colors. I can just have everything.
My box empty.
But I did get t-shirts.
Mine got t-shirts.
Nothing is good without some pair of t-shirts.
Tyler going through all his stuff. Look at him. Look at it, everything.
Whew.
Hey, Trina. And the cool thing about it, you and Molly gonna be dressed just alike. She got the same 3 skirts.
Well, at least I'm not gonna be so very long.
Baby, you here, Trina? Ty just like all up in his clothes. He's like, yeah.
But
And
he
falling
gets short.
off.
He get. Oh, I see how the deal is. He
He's
gets
a boy.
shorts and I get skirts. Wow.
Oh, don't worry, I got a bunch of pants.
I got shirts and shorts.
Oh man, I'm gonna cry. Oh, that got hot in here. It got really hot.
Look at her trying to fold her little clothes back.
This one smells good though.
Is that thing?
Good to be true.